I'm making an 3-ingredient apple dessert for fall. Oh my goodness, so delicious. So I'm gonna take my apples and I'm gonna cut them up so they're just a little bit smaller. And we're gonna take our canned biscuits and we're gonna cut them in quarters. Oops. Just like so. Now I line this with a Crockpot liner just to see how it works. I don't know, might work good. Now I got my whipping cream. Now I'm gonna stir this all together. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. Then put this on and we are going to cook it and let's see how it turns out. Okay, got it all done. Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious. Okay, my hubby is gone. So I have the unfortunate task of taste testing. Oh, that is darn tootin' good. Oh my goodness, you gotta love apple in the fall.